What month is this? Hey guys, it's Viv with Stitches and Seams. Thanks so much for coming back. Today I thought I would share the few things that I made in June and then a little bit of a life update. So if you want to know what's coming up, stay tuned toward the end. This month, I can't even believe, I don't know, it's over. And I don't remember when it went by. So yeah, let me just kind of go over what I had and what I made, or what I had planned to make and what I actually made. Looking at my notes over here. So I had a pattern test, and that was the Smiley Abby jumpsuit, and we will put some photos in here of that. I really enjoyed this. It's totally out of my comfort zone. I don't know if I thought I was too old or too big or too frumpy, or I don't know, but I just, in my head, I just didn't think that I could ever pull a jumpsuit off. And I really like the Abby. Of course, I won't be able to wear it here in Texas until it gets a little bit colder, because it is Liverpool and it is hot. So that will be kind of like a fall winter wear, but that's okay. I totally love it. And I absolutely enjoyed the garden area that we went to for the photos. That was a lot of fun. Next, I had the Berta 6873. I can't read my own writing. And that was the pants, the dress pant muslin for Jack. And it's sitting there staring at me accusingly. I did not get to that this month, unfortunately. There has been quite a lot going on, and so that one did not get done. Let's see. The Eleanor pull-on jeans, I did do those, and I don't know if I took any photos of that, actually. I think I forgot that I made them. They're just in the black stretch navy that, stretch navy, good Lord. They're in the navy denim that I got back in a few fabric hauls. It came from Fashion Fabrics Club, and it was supposed to be navy, but it really looks black to me. So yeah, I made those. Absolutely love them. I tapered the legs in a little bit more on that pair, and they fit on the leg pretty much how I want them to fit. If I can find a photo, I'll pop it in here for you guys. The next one was the Wanted Tee, which is a navy Liverpool, and we will put some photos of that in. Love that neckline. I'm looking forward to making some more, but I'm going to be definitely making it in Jersey, because Liverpool is too hot to wear in Texas unless it is winter. It just doesn't breathe. You know, it's polyester fabric, and it's like wearing plastic wrap over your body. So, yeah, I love the top. I love the color, and I like the texture that the Liverpool has, but I will be making myself some Jersey ones hopefully soon to wear, because I do really love that neckline. I think it's incredibly flattering. The Berta 6602, the two of those that I was going to make for Jack, they are also staring at me accusingly, because they didn't get done either. I'm hoping to eke out some time today to kind of sit down, at least get one done, because he does need them and he likes them. So, yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see. I had a quilting goal of trying to get my prairie flower quilt block squared up. That didn't happen. Nope, didn't happen. Let's see. The Layer Me Up top, shirt, t-shirt, whatever you want to call it, from Patterns for Pirates in the white art gallery fabric, and that is what I'm wearing now. We'll put some pictures in so you can see the whole thing. Love this. The fabric is super, super soft. I understand why they charge more. It's really nice and breathable. I don't sweat like horrifically or anything like that in it. The only problem I'm having is I have a little bit of a wavy neckline, as you can see here. And I followed the recommendation of the pattern as to the size, because usually I make them a little bit bigger, and I didn't this time. I just went with what it had, and it's rippling, so I don't know. Yeah. I think it's one of those things where it all kind of depends on the jersey. This one is pretty stretchy, but it also has good recovery. But it's not like super stretchy like the rayon jerseys that are like, so yeah, I probably could have gotten away with lengthening this like by half an inch or something. Maybe, I don't know, or shortening, I don't know. It looks like it's too much fabric to me, but anyway, let's see. I had 3 Ogden camis planned for my middle girl, and I only got 1 done. I will see if I can con her into letting me take a picture of her wearing it, and put it in. Otherwise, I might have to just pin it on the mannequin. Yes, and then I had another pattern test this month, and that one was a doozy. But I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was a challenge for me, and I loved it. It's the Wardrobe by Me, and we'll put the pattern art somewhere in here. Wardrobe by Me men's cargo shorts, and it has pockets on the back, cargo pockets on the legs, and then it has front regular pockets. It doesn't have a waistband. It has a waistband facing. So, and it also has a seat reinforcement that you can leave off or put on. Jack didn't really care for it, so I left that off. I think the next ones that I make him, I'll leave the cargo pockets off, so they're more like a streamlined type of short, but he really likes them. The testing process for Wardrobe by Me was really interesting. I enjoyed it very much, and she's very meticulous about her patterns, and I like that. I appreciate the work that she put into it. I appreciate that she was so meticulous. I mean, she wants to make sure that the pattern that she sells is spot on, and I personally, 2 thumbs up, Christina. I think you did a really great job on this one. I have made the Far Far cardigan from them for Jack last November, and I will be making it again for him at some point, probably when it gets a little bit cooler. So yeah, those are all my makes. So as you can see, I didn't get to everything, but I did have a pretty big list this month, which, you know, it's whatever. I'm not gonna stress over not getting everything done. You guys know that life happens, and that's exactly what happened. Life. So segue into the life update. So, as many of you know, my husband works. He flies a helicopter, like a emergency ambulance type situation thing. And he has been given a new job, and he won't be flying anymore. He'll be kind of in an office situation. So what that entails is that we actually have to move house. And this all came about rather spontaneously. We weren't really expecting it. It just kind of happened. And so now he starts in a month, actually. And so we have to pack up house, sell a house, buy a house, move in the house, and, you know, while also getting the youngest girl in school and all that kind of stuff. So we are going to be kind of on an intermittent status. There's just no way for us to be able to really predict a time that we will have available to film and edit and photograph, all those types of things. And we also have some really cool stuff coming up with some other fab sewers, people who love to sew. And we've had to postpone that, but luckily everyone has been so gracious and understanding. So that will happen. It's coming, I promise. It's just going to be a little bit longer. And so, yeah, that's what's going on. So I hope that you guys can be patient with us, and we will try to pop in when and where we can. Maybe we'll be able to show you some of the stuff that we get up to, like with the moving and everything. And yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. We just want to say thanks so much for you all coming back every week and watching and commenting and interacting with us. We really appreciate that. We want to thank you to everyone who has recently subscribed, and those of you that keep coming back. Just thanks so much. It means a lot, and we appreciate you all. So for now, we're just going to say see you later, and we'll get back to you when we can. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.